I'll be back, love.
I'll explain the spider to you as we go. Okay, so these are beads, and beads are very important to the Ghanaian.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
The Ghanaian woman will put beads around their waist.
Beads were used as a form of currency before. They were put over on your waist. I think after beads, cowrie shells were used as a form of currency, but also there is also jewelry as well. A lot of people don't know, before Christianity came into the picture, the Muslim faith ended up coming to Ghana and spreading around due to like trade. Christianity came like in the 1470s, and the Muslim faith came in the 1420s. Prayer mats, 2 different styles: the skin of a ram and modern woven rug.
Noni is also very medicinal, apart from these fruits. This is the mahogany. The mahogany, the back of the mahogany is also very medicinal. This is the neem tree. Let me highlight on it. You can inhale the vapor and they still work. Men are advised to inhale it much more than to drink it, because it reduces sperm production. You can hit the target, but you may not achieve what you want to achieve.
Got it. How do you spell this one? How do you spell it?
Neem. Neem.
Ah.
It's actually really good.
Yes.
I've read about it.
Okay.
You've read about it. Okay. So if you inhale it, it will still work. Okay. This is the neem fruit.
Wait, finish the other couple of plants, because I want to ask you about another plant.
That's why I said take a picture,
Oh.
because you can also do much research when you go. All right.
Wow. The name, how you pronounce cowrie shells in Ghana is Cedius, and the name of the money is pronounced Cedis. So it came from cowrie shells. And bingos were also a form of currency as well.
Without oxidizing it and turning it into useless ash. 4 days later,
Oh,
they
got it.
returned the
Wow.
and removed the sand,
Iron ore.
revealing the high-quality hardwood.
So they got the iron ore
Successful snow.
and came home.
The tool that is used
They set up a furnace of fire, place the iron ores into them.
uncovered it all, so
They become very hot and red and malleable as well, and they beat it and turn it to different shapes and forms and different tools. This is how they got these tools for their activities.
Fancy clans.
And every clan has a totem, and the totem is the animal, plant or object that represents the clan. You don't eat your totem, you treat it good for your totem to bless you. Okay? This is the Aduana clan. The Aduana clan has the dog as the totem. In some of the books, you see fire oozing out of the mouth of the dog, because they have a tagline. When you mention Aduana, they respond Oja, and Oja means fire. They are a firebrand tribe. So people who belong to the Agula clan are considered as talkatives. They can really talk, and found themselves, they can really talk. People who belong to the Asona clan have the crow as the totem. The Brecho clan have the leopard. Because of that, they are considered as brave people. Okay, the Ekwana have the buffalo. And people who belong to the Akenaze clan will not eat the sheath fish, because the sheath fish is their totem. And people who belong to the Aparate clan have the plantain and the lion as their totems. Okay.
So basically, depending upon the clan that you're in, you do not marry someone in your clan, and you do not eat basically you know, your clan, like what represents your clan. And there's certain ancestral stories that that we didn't get a chance to get into, but you could do more research about to figure out like why is each of the clan represented by each of these animals. So amazing and so cool and so smart. Ben is Eswa. Ben is Fanti. Eswa. Anona. Yeah. Your people.
I don't joke with this babe.
No. Yeah. Wow. So the size of the umbrella basically shares like how big your kingship is. The kente basically shows like how wise you are, and of course Africa is like the gold mine of our resources, excuse the pun, and of course gold is found here, so a lot of the accents that people in jewelry that they will adorn themselves with would be gold. Okay, so how kings and queens got their names was basically these stools. So basically there's a stool room, and every person who's a king and queen get them, and when they pass away they darken the stool with I believe he said charcoal and like eggs, so that it starts to slowly turn black. And as you see, it has like all these beautiful, it's two crocodiles with one belly, basically representing an Adunkar symbol. And if you come from a royal line of a family and whatnot, you basically have a stool room in your own home that represents your ancestors, which is really cool. Representing the queen mother, and she sit here. There's a symbol that you see on top of the umbrella. It looks like this is supposed to be representing this Adinkra symbol right here that you probably see a lot. And this Adinkra symbol means we serve only one true God. So there's something specifically in the Fanti ethnic group where they have something called Asafo group, and they erect buildings called a Posubans. And the Asafo groups basically almost think of like sororities and sororities, where depending on like where you live, you basically can join the Asafo group and learn how to like fight and dance and learn different spiritual practices. And when big festivals and events happen in your neighborhood, with the Asafo group that you join, it's not clan related. It's just based on where you live and you wanting to join and just be a part of that group. It seems like a place where like people can join, men and women, but more so men, because people also do know how to fight and become warriors. When big festivals and big large events are happening, everyone meets at the Posubans and celebrate. So many amazing things around the history that our guide is giving us. Like, you all just have to come to the museum and enjoy yourself, because there's just so much to learn.
Okay, so
more, because this was too cool. This is the chair of state. This is the chair that Nkrumah, the first president of Ghana, sat on for his inauguration. So there's a replica that the current president is sitting on, but this is the original one. Wow. Museum gallery. What a place, what a time. This place is amazing. I learned so much and it was so cool.